Full disclosure, this was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. The umbrella base by the FRUITEAM team. This is an umbrella base. This thing allows you to have a nice solid base for your umbrella. UV protection. This thing is weather resistant. UV, no problem. Sun, no problem. This thing, you can fill it up with water, sand, or wet sand. And this provides extra stability for your outdoor patio umbrella. Boom, boom! Instruction manual right there. You can fill it with sand, wet sand, or water. You have the nice handle. You have UV protection. There's 4 of these pieces. Boom, boom, boom. The umbrella base right here. Solid. So inside right here, you have this mold right here to put the large stand of your umbrella. It falls in here. The design is nice. It's got a texture design. You have opening on this side, and you also have the opening on this side. If you fill it with sand, each plate is roughly 45 pounds. If you fill it with water, each plate is worth 11.5 pounds. So if you want extra support, you can fill this with sand. If you don't want the extra support, you can fill it with water. That's pretty cool. You have 2 openings. That's the opening right there. You just fill this with water or sand. Boom. This is the second piece. Same thing. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. 4 pieces. If you fill it with sand, each of these pieces weigh 45 pounds. That's crazy. If you fill it with water, each of these pieces weigh 11 pounds. I have 4 of these pieces. This is going to provide support for my outdoor patio umbrella. There's 4 pieces right here. This is a base for your outdoor patio umbrella. This one, there's 4 pieces. They can be filled with sand or water. If each of these are filled with sand, each of these weigh 45 pounds. If each of these are filled with water, each of these weigh about 11.5 pounds. Now, 4 of these will definitely weigh down your patio umbrella. They will help keep your umbrella grounded really well. This is an awesome umbrella base from the FRUITEAM team. Oh yeah!